Hi, my name is Brian Norton with the InData project at Easter Seals Crossroads, and today we're going to be taking a look at a device called Resetea, which is a visual activity timer. So let's go ahead and take a look.
So I'm Heather Koren, the Director of Westminster Technology with Westminster Technologies, and I'm going to show you today a brand new product called Resetea by BJ Live, and it's a visual timer. So there's no sound whatsoever, it's just a visual timer. So if you take a visual schedule and we convert it into a visual timer, specifically developed for students with autism, but it's also great for students with cognitive disabilities, time management, organizational issues, but also as well adults with dementia benefit greatly from this device as well. So this is Resetea, the visual schedule timer. So I can get free templates and I can create whatever I need, picture-wise, symbol-wise, however many different squares that I need for my schedule. So today we're going to set the timer up for a 5 activity template. So what I'm doing right now is the number of activities. So I'm going to use my buttons on the side here. There's an up button. So I'm going to change this to be 5 different activities, and I hit OK. The next thing I'm going to do is set the time, and I'm going to set the time for each activity. So each activity can have a different time length. So for quick demo purposes, we'll keep this one at 1 minute. And then I can go through, and each one can have a different time length. And then when I'm done setting my time, I put my template in this nice clear plastic, slide it right on in, hit the OK button, and it will begin the timer. What you'll see here is 2 little dots will start appearing as it's counting down the time. When I get to the time limit for this first activity and it moves to the next one, my first square is going to turn red to indicate I'm done with that activity, and it will move on to the next. At any time I can use the OK button to pause my activity and then restart it. I can use my arrow buttons to skip an activity and go to the next one, or the other arrow to go back to a previous activity. So because I skipped this one, you can now see that I'm now on my second activity and it's counting down that time, and the first activity that I completed is now red.
So that's your tech tip for this week. My name is Brian Norton with the InData project at Easter Seals Crossroads.